Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So last time I did an easy craft and card for Father's Day. So if you missed that video, you can click on the link above and that will take you to the tutorial. So with Canada Day coming up July 1st, I thought I would take time in this video to make some decor to make my home more patriotic and festive. I'd just like to share with you, as you can see by my shirt here, that last summer, one of our local businesses decided to try and put our area on the map. And by doing that, they tried to get together as many people as possible to break a Guinness Book of World Records for the largest human Canadian flag. And guess what? We did it! Almost 4,000 people from our area crammed into this park. It was videotaped and we had a representative from the Guinness Book of World Records there to verify that we actually did in fact make the largest human Canadian flag. So Google it. And also stay tuned to the end of this video where I'm going to do a bit of a compilation of our national anthem and beautiful scenery from across this wonderful, lovely country that I call home, Canada. So let's get started. So I started with this cute Canada sign that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I also found these pretty bandanas as well. There was 2 in a package. And I found these cute Canadian leaf light up lights, LED lights, and some Canadian flags. And I also found this really cool tumbler with different Canadian pictures around it. And some red and white flowers. So I decided I would make 2 crafts, a wreath and a centerpiece. So I started with this willow wreath from the Dollar Tree that I had found, and I took apart the 2 bandanas and decided to just use some hot glue to wrap the bandanas around, the white and red on one side and the red and white on the other side. And I just kind of wrapped it around loosely, tacking it here and there with the hot glue so that it stayed nice and tight to the wreath form. So I repeated this on the other side of the wreath with the other bandana. Next, I took the LED lights, untangled them, and wrapped them around the wreath, gluing them in place, making sure to keep the battery pack near the back. Then I decided to use my hot glue to glue the wreath on top of my Canada sign, which was doubly good because the sign had a hanger on it already. Then I had decided at the last minute to glue a couple of the Canadian flags on top of the wreath. And there you go, a cute little Canada Day wreath for my front door. Next, I decided to make a simple yet pretty centerpiece. So I took the top off of the plastic mug and I decided to put my second set of Canada leaf flag lights inside, making sure to have the battery pack hanging out the bottom. Then I simply took the red flowers, put them in red, then white, and then the other red ones and fluffed them out. Put in a couple of Canada Day flags, and voila, a very simple, cheap, yet cute Canada Day centerpiece. So stay tuned for a tribute to Canada with the playing of our national anthem and some pictures of our beautiful landscape. And also check out in the description box below, I will put a link to the video where we break the Guinness Book of World Records for the largest human Canadian flag. And I hope that you have a happy Canada Day, and for my American friends, a happy Independence Day, July the 4th. And see you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.